Ever wondered how we go about developing the design for one of our classes? Particularly when we have a class that has as many elements as the intermediate goldwork jungle online class does. It starts with testing out the separate elements in the materials we just have to hand and evaluating if they're good enough and how they might be used within the general theme. Then we create version 1 of the design that pulls all of the elements together, which we refine into version 2 to smooth out some of the rough edges and overly complicated bits. We then try adding some colour to the design to see how it would theoretically balance together. The basic shapes set, we draw out the design onto tracing paper, ready to prick and pounce. The design is then transferred onto the fabric with the pounce and drawn in to make it permanent. Now, all we have to do is stitch it all out, starting with the raisings and taking it from there. This allows us to make extensive notes about the techniques we are covering whilst measuring out how much of the materials would be needed for a kit. As the design develops, it doesn't always happen in the best order for teaching the skills logically, so once the piece is complete, we can reframe the content into achievable sections. We get together an example kit, and now it's time to stitch it out all over again, this time filming it as a class, so you can follow along with the kit of your own. All that's left to do now is to deliver it to our wonderful community of stitchers and hope you love it just as much as we do. To start your own intermediate goldwork jungle class, get your kit and class ordered from the London Embroidery School website.